I'm gonna start my video now.
Oh. I don't want to know.
Jordan,
Oh my god, you already started it. I didn't know you started it.
Jordan, I just gave her the lip injections, Too Faced, and it's her first time using it. Plumpy. It's a cook with us. This is Jordan, my roommate.
Hello?
And I want to film what we eat in a day as college students.
Just stand right in front of me, it's fine. Rice is an essential.
Yeah.
Big 10-pound bag.
Clean this.
Probably you.
Probably.
This audio
Trying to cook vegetarian. I got asparagus, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and some rice. And then I got these sausages that are, I've never had these before. What? They're made out of potatoes. I don't know. Prepared all my vegetables. I cut the stems off the asparagus and Brussels sprouts, olive oil, lemon juice, pepper, salt, everything. Bagel sauce.
Yes, I do the cooking. Yes, I do the cleaning.
George, what are you making?
This week I'm making a chicken salad with like avocado, apples, Gouda cheese, chicken.
Yum. These are gonna take the longest, so I'm gonna put them in while I do the rest. I think I'll do them for like 25 minutes. I ran out of storage because me and Jordan text so much. It probably was like 10 gigabytes that I just deleted. This rice is taking too long. These are my vegan sausages. I'm kind of scared to see how they taste. The kitchen's a mess, but both of our dinners for the week, I put goat cheese in mine because I like goat cheese with my Brussels sprouts. I'll make vinegar, but I don't know how this is gonna taste because I've never eaten this before. Okay, I can't finish my bowl because I served myself too much, but I'm gonna save it for later. And we're gonna live off of this for like the next 4 days, and then probably normally on the weekends we go get Taco Bell. There's not a lot of options here though. I have mixed emotions about this vegan sausage. It just doesn't hit the same as regular sausage. And I'm trying to like lean off of meats and cheese, but
Cheese ain't gonna happen, girl.
no,
You
cheese,
know it.
no. We go through like a pound of cheese and like
That's more than a pound. Like the big Costco block of cheese.
the Tillamook one. Yeah, we go through that in like, what, like 2 weeks, the 3 of us.
Yeah.
Maybe red meat I can lean off of, but like if anyone has any tips for becoming less meat dependent, I don't know. What she said it tastes like.
It's like the beef jerky Slim Jims.
Yeah, it just reminds me of something and it's not sausage. That's my meal prep for the week, and I just wanted to make a video just to make a bunch of videos on my channel. So, oh, the trash needs to be taken out. Okay, like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting random videos, and probably Jordan's 21st will be the next video. Bye. What if I do that?